afford to like be doing something every weekend for the vlog. The economy, y'all know what that's looking like.
Look at you. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be. You be like I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna. I let go and I let go. That's when things start happening. And I stop looking at back. Let go, 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 let go. Why can't you let go of the pressure of living?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kirah. I'm so happy you're here. Happy Wednesday, y'all. I just got out of the shower, co-washed my hair and everything. Y'all, I was going on like 5-day hair and it was just time. I'm not gonna lie though, I've been loving the fro. I've been loving how easy it is in the morning to just get up and go, shake my hair, and I'm gone. I got my hair in a towel. I'm talking about a towel. I have my hair in a t-shirt. Yeah, the curls are doing their thing. What I plan on doing to my hair is just moisturizing it and then braiding it up. I've been wanting to see how my hair will look in a half up, half down. Typically, I'm not a fan of my hair in a half up, half down at this length, but I don't know. I feel like it could be cute. Yeah, I feel like my hair, it's been looking so good recently. I'm just thanking my past self for taking the leap and cutting it. Granted, I've done that a million times before, so it wasn't like anything that was so serious for me. I was looking at footage of when I first cut my hair and it has grown so much. You know how you see your hair every day, so like you don't really see the difference, but when I looked back at those videos, I'm like, wow, my hair has grown so much. This week is gonna be a pretty generic week. I want to just get out of the house. I just want to put myself out there, but get over my anxiety of being social and meeting new people. So one of the things that I plan on doing is attending this fitness or wellness walk that Kirah Ominique is doing at the Beltline. I'm so nervous. The shy girls get it, okay? But I'm excited at the same time because I think it'll be cool to meet other girls there. I don't know, and just enjoy that because like that's my thing. I love the Beltline. I love going on wellness walks. Like I just think that's such a cute idea. So that'll give me something to do Saturday morning. I'm always down for like growth, personal growth, and I need this. Like I need to do this. I gotta stop relying on the people around me to make connections or to make me feel comfortable in spaces. I want to be that for myself. I just want to constantly remind myself who God created me to be. I do love myself, but it's not unapologetically. Ooh, that was hard to say. That's something that I genuinely do struggle with. Let's get into this hair. I'm gonna hurry up and do it before it completely dries.
So little time, so little time. May your will be done till the day I die. So little time, so little time. May your will be done till the day I die. Patient, he has victory over Satan. Every tear I shed.
Good morning, y'all. I am up and at it for the walk this morning. Y'all, I'm so tired, but I'm really excited for this walk. I am not as nervous as I thought I was gonna be. I do have a little bit of nerves like in the back of my mind. I wanted to show y'all what I have on. I have on this plain gray top. I don't really remember where this is from. It could be from Amazon, but it fits so nice. I love this top. And then I'm just wearing my gray, I don't know if y'all can see, Arola leggings. Y'all, these are probably like the best Amazon leggings I've ever used. So good. They're so snatching and just flattering. And then I'm wearing my Asics. Y'all, I got a hole in my shirt because I was putting it on crazy. I also have this fanny pack, which I'm so glad that I have because I don't feel like carrying my keys. I don't feel like bringing my purse out there, any of that. So I'm gonna bring this today. So I'm nervous for two things, right? Like I'm kind of nervous about socializing, but I'm also nervous about being the only one that's not socializing. On my back camera because the front camera just ain't really giving. But hey y'all, it is Saturday. Y'all, it's been a complete week since the last time that I filmed, and I have so much to update y'all on as to why I haven't been filming. But today my boyfriend and I are going ring shopping. I'm so excited. He wants a better idea of what I like, and as y'all know, I went ring shopping with Caitlin. Well, kind of went ring shopping with her in DC, and the experience just wasn't good. We were in there for probably 10 minutes and then we left. Going there though, it did show me that I don't really know what I want as much as I thought I did, because it was a lot of stuff I tried on and it wasn't what I imagined it would look like on my hand. So I did my nails, I did a quick little press on set, and now we're about to go into Brilliant Earth to have our appointment. He'll get all his questions answered because he asked me so many questions about just ring size, carat, what size I am in a ring, what my style is. So I think this will be good for both of us and just to help him feel way more prepared. This is so fun. I've never done anything like this with anybody I've ever dated, and this is just the beauty, y'all, of intentional dating. Like, God really put him in my life and I'm just so grateful. I ended up getting here a little bit early because I needed to scope the scenery out. Like, I really needed to see where I'm gonna be at, and I just wanted to make sure that we got in on time, didn't miss our appointment or anything. We're also going to grab lunch after this at this Japanese barbecue spot. That'll be my first time and his first time having it, so that's gonna be fun. Y'all, my arm hurts so bad. Since I have some time, I want to update y'all as to why I haven't been vlogging. So where we last left off was the walk, and it was really great. I think the concept was beautiful. It was nice to see so many women like come together and kind of socialize. Kirah was the sweetest. I did get to meet her. We took pictures together, y'all, but I hate them. You know how when you just don't take a picture on your good side, like they were hideous, but she looked great. I had used the address that was connected to this link that they had in their bio, and basically it took me not to where I needed to be. So to make a long story short, y'all, I ended up at the wrong location and ended up coming in to the walk meetup point late. And because of that, I feel like I wasn't able to create relationships like a lot of the girls had already done. Like, a lot of them were already clicked up and kind of already socializing with who they were socializing with. But I will say, like, everybody was so kind, so sweet. I think that I just started to feel discouraged because as the walk was going on, like, I hadn't spoken to anybody yet. There was a lot of times where I wanted to like speak to somebody or whatever, and I just would overthink and chicken out of it, and it was just really difficult, y'all. I was just really in my head and I was having a really hard time, y'all, and my anxiety was through the roof. I was not feeling good, y'all, and so when I left, I did make sure that I went through the whole walk as I had anticipated. Like I said, it was nice, but I was just feeling really down because I hadn't had any interactions with anybody, and it sucked, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I ended up having a conversation with my boyfriend about it, and y'all, I was so emotional, and so that's why I haven't vlogged since then. Was I just had a completely emotional breakdown because I felt like I failed at what I came there to do. I was just beating myself up about it. Being social and like putting myself out there, it's such an uncomfortable thing to do. What may not be as difficult for somebody else, that's something that's very difficult for me. It was a big deal that I even came to that by myself and like took that first step, and so that really helped me kind of reconcile with my thoughts. Also, y'all, like, I was just praying to God about the root of like those emotions. Like, like why I care so much about what people think about me and like where that comes from, and just trying to work through the emotions that the enemy wants me to believe about myself. Yeah, I feel 1,000 times better now. The only way that I'll learn is if I keep attending these things. I'm gonna stay on top of just attending events and things like that, and we'll see what happens and where it goes from there. Like my period, y'all, also just came on, so like I've just been an emotional wreck, and that's just really the biggest reason why I haven't been filming. My routine, y'all, is so mundane, so I try to like figure out what I can do to kind of switch up my vlogs a little bit. But I know that like people like normalcy, because my life is so normal, y'all. Like it's so regular. I'm not the grab a matcha, let's go to Pilates type of girl. Don't get me wrong now, like a matcha is cute, Pilates is great, like I love all of those things. Well, I love Pilates. Matcha's all right. But I'm gonna be real, like I can't afford to like be doing something every weekend for the vlog, you know what I mean? Yeah, y'all gonna see some very normal looking stuff. Being in Atlanta, like I've started to not feel like I needed to keep up with the Joneses or nothing like that, like never that. I've been seeing the conversations like circulating around about YouTube being boring now, so me just taking that like criticism, I was thinking, okay, I need to like kind of spice up my vlogs. I don't ever want it to not be authentic to what's actually going on in my life. We're doing budget friendly fun around here, okay? And there's a way to do that. Like you really can do that. The economy, y'all know what that's looking like. We're just making the most of what's out here. I'm a very simple person. Like I don't really know too much about designer. A lot of things that you typically see on social media, like I don't really engage in because it's not my cup of tea. I know that there's a community out there that also values the things that I value and are into the things that I'm into. So I'm just excited to like meet my girls, like meet my audience, and we connect on that level. But I think I felt like I had to have my videos be as eventful as other people's. And granted, I love an eventful vlog, like, and that's not to say that mine won't be eventful. I'm just me. I'm just Kirah. I'm just so regular. I love my regular life. But yeah, I'm gonna just sit here and chill, wait on my boyfriend to get here. It's so hot in this car. And y'all, this flash, it is so bright.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible, the temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me.
You said the band for this?
He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory. Constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because.
And how do you feel about working with two in the final stage? Are you open to that? You said she's in the final stage.
Yeah, so let's say you have like, you were in between these two settings, you love them all, you can choose. Would you comfortable with choosing for you?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of?
You say this was 1.5 and 3?
1.5, 2, and 3.
Not based on ownership. You love me despite myself.
I actually really like that one. I actually might like, I think I like the size.
The size of that one?
Yeah, I feel like that's like the perfect size.
And then remember you have like that particular look even just a little bit bigger too.
Will that diamond be placed as like in that core and that will still follow around it?
Yeah, so all of our settings are made to fit whatever diamond you choose.
Okay.
So they'll fit it to be more oval and not like round, but yeah, it'll have 4 prongs.
Okay, so the setting is the smaller plate look that I said at the bottom.
It's impossible, the temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? I gotta find peace of mind. Oh, what a merciful chance to get it right this time.
There's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love.
What you want to do is get a nice sear on there. 30 seconds, not too long. Take that, give it a nice flip. As you can see, it's already browning. It's quite nice. Nicely cooked.
Go astray, love. Through all the ups and downs, the joy that hurts, love. For better or worse, I still will choose you first. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your touch, feel your presence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do. Felt like
Y'all, I'm in the grocery store right now. I'm trying to get some cleaning stuff to clean once I get to the house. Yeah, I plan on tackling the bathroom, my room, and the kitchen. I want to get like some natural cleaning stuff just because of what I've been learning about what chemicals do to our body and stuff. So.